In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add or remove the category and description from your invoices in QuickBooks Online. This is really useful if you want your invoices to be cleaner, more detailed, or tailored to different types of customers. Maybe you don't want clients to see the internal categories you use, or maybe you need the description field visible so you can clearly explain what you're billing for. I'll walk you through exactly where to go and what to click, step by step. First, sign in to your QuickBooks Online account and head to the main dashboard. At the top right corner of the screen, look for the small gear icon. This is your settings menu. Go ahead and click that gear icon to open up your settings. From the settings menu, look for the option labeled Custom Form Styles. This is where QuickBooks lets you control how your invoices, estimates, and other forms look to your customers. Click on Custom Form Styles to open that page. You'll now see a list of the different invoice templates or styles you have set up. Find the invoice style that you normally use for your customers. On the right side, in the Action column, you should see an Edit option. Click Edit next to the invoice style you want to change. This will open the customization window for that invoice style. Along the top, you'll see different tabs. Click on the tab labeled Content. The Content tab is where you control what appears in the header, the body, and the footer of your invoice. In the Content section, move your mouse over the middle area of the preview where your line items appear. This is where your products, services, quantities, and amounts are shown. In that section, look for the columns area and then click the small pencil icon. The pencil icon tells QuickBooks you want to edit those column settings. A side panel will appear that lets you choose which columns show up on your invoice. Here you'll see options for things like category and description. To add one of these to your invoices, simply check the box. To remove it, uncheck the box. You'll see the preview update so you can confirm the invoice looks the way you want before saving. Once you're happy with your changes, look for the Done button, usually at the bottom of the customization window. Click Done to save your changes. From now on, any invoice that uses this style will automatically include or hide the category and description fields based on what you just selected.